what we are going to see, same concept but in different way. Okay, so here we have defined the function calculate with accept two integer. This is the string. If the string equal to 1, return addition. If string is 2, return subtraction. String star. Okay, sorry, if operation is 3, return multiplication. If operation is 4, return division. Okay, it return the result. That's it. Okay, so what I do now, I am calling the function in static manner. म्हणजे काय? Here if you see, just see the output. काय केलंय पहा? Calculate function name 12, 2, 1. What happened? 12 is assigned to A, 2 is assigned to B, 1 is assigned to operation. Operation equal to 1, return num1 plus num2. But here I am printing the result directly in the print function. Understand? Yes or no? Can I write in different way? Yes. I can write in different way. What I can do? Neat लक्ष द्या. R1 equal to what I do? Same code. तोच code आहे but in different way. Control C, Control V, and here I take here 120 and 20. That's it. आणि इथे काय करणार आहे मी? काय करायचं सांगा मला? Control C, Control V. Here I will print R1. Okay. Clear है? काय केलं समजलं काय समजलं? Here R1 equal to calculate and that result is printed here R1. But the other way, directly call the function in the print function. Clear है? Print is also one function. Okay, let us run the code. Same for subtraction. So subtraction, for multiplication 3, for division 4, and afterwards I am calling the function. I am taking input from user and doing the same operation. Clear है ये? Okay, now run the code. Can you see this? See this. What happened? Why? काय झालं पहा? Can you see this? Addition is 14, 140. काय झालं? Here 12 into 12, 2, 12 plus 2, 14. Here R1 equal to 14. I get 14 initially. Can you see this 14? Either this is 14. Afterwards, I have passed the parameter to the function. Clear है? Yes or no? So in this way, I am calling function two times. First time here, demo function addition, and second time 120 plus 20, 140. Clear है? 1 minute. Same for subtraction 2. This thing. So what happened here? What output I got? Here 12 minus 2, 10. Multiplication 12 into 2, 24. Division 12 into 12 divided by 2, 6. Clear hai? Now welcome to the simple calculator. Welcome to simple calculator. This is the outcome now. This is the output of dynamic program. First number 120, second number 12. Enter the operation. Suppose I enter 4, I get the 10. Clear hai? Or I can use here num1, num2 here. Control C here. But one more thing I tell you. Remember one thing. If I define the function, after this what will happen? I get the error. I hope so. Huh? जर मी जर फंक्शन इथं डिफाइन केलं, I may get the error. Wow. I got the error. What is the problem? Here I have defined the function before I call. समझलं नहीं समझलं? So before I call the function, it must be defined. Clear है नहीं ये? It must be defined. समझलं नहीं समझलं? I have defined the function before I call, otherwise you get error. So do not make these mistakes. These are 90% mistake in the examination. Clear है?